So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Spectrum TV app on Sony Smart TV, download, sign in and fix not available. How to install Spectrum TV app on Sony Smart TV. The Spectrum TV app cannot be natively downloaded from the Google Play Store on Sony Smart TVs because Spectrum has not released a compatible version for Android TV, Google TV and operating system. So method 1 is use an external streaming device. The most stable way to get the app on your Sony TV is to connect an affordable streaming device that officially supports Spectrum TV. Connect a supported device like a Roku streaming strip, Apple TV 4K or Samsung TV clone to your Sony TV HDMI port. Switch your Sony TV input source to the matching HDMI port. Go to that device app store, search for Spectrum TV and download it. Step 2 is cast via Chromecast or AirPlay. Since your Sony TV comes with built-in Chromecast, you can beam the video directly from your phone. Download the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone or tablet via the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Connect your mobile device to the exact same Wi-Fi network as the Sony TV. Open the Spectrum TV app on your phone and start playing a channel. Tap the cast icon or AirPlay icon and select your Sony Smart TV from the list. Third method is slide load via downloader app. If you want to run the app directly on the TV without extra hardware, you can force install the Android mobile package. Navigate to apps, then search on your Sony Smart TV and install the downloader app by AFTV News. Go to Sony TV setting, then app, then security and restrictions, unknown source and toggle downloader to allowed. Open downloader and type in a trusted APK hosting URL to find and download the Spectrum TV APK. Install the downloaded file. Note, you may need a USB mouse connected to your TV to navigate the app layout as it is designed to touchscreen. How to sign. Only once you have accessed the app through one of the walkaround above, use these steps to log in. Open the Spectrum TV app on your screen. Enter your primary Spectrum username and password using the on-screen keyboard. If you are connected to the Spectrum home Wi-Fi network, the app may automatically log you in without requiring credentials. Accept the term of service. You start streaming via network channels and on-demand content. Thank you.